Did you know that implementing a proactive building equipment maintenance and replacement plan can save you 26 to 31% versus reactively fixing or replacing equipment when it breaks? Sourcing Alliance members intuitively know that establishing a proactive building maintenance plan is a better alternative than reacting to one crisis after another. The problem is that when you have one building emergency after another to manage, and you barely have the resources you need to fix the building and equipment issues that crop up each day, where can you possibly find the time to develop and implement a proactive building equipment maintenance and replacement plan? Sourcing Alliance's HVAC and Building Solutions program bridges that gap and enables members to transition from a reactive approach to a proactive one. The program establishes a solution customized to meet your needs based on your existing equipment and systems, your budget, your building management requirements, and your long-term facilities plan. To learn more about our HVAC and Building Solutions program, call us at 844-289-6728 or visit our website at sourcingalliance.org.